Wednesday, Saturday too. School, then sports, homework and chores. There's so much to do.